Hey everyone, it's Sam here at Model Chili Scale Models, and I'm pretty excited because what I have here is a very special bit of fan mail. Now this all came about because a couple of videos ago I was reviewing the Bandai Modelling Archive book, and in that video I was lamenting the fact that Clone Trooper kits have become quite expensive to import into New Zealand. And as a result, someone got in touch and said they've got quite a few Clone Trooper kits unmade, plus a bunch of 3D printed accessories that they have no use for anymore, and would I like them? And I took about a split second to think about it, and I said, yes please. And so here it is. And so I've had a quick look inside the box just to make sure it's the correct parcel. And so let's have a look inside to see what it contains. Alright, so first bag I can see there's one partially made up Clone Trooper, which they did tell me about. Plus a few extra cast and 3D printed parts, but we'll have a closer look at those in a minute. And so basically it's all just packed with sprues from Clone Trooper kits, another bag full of resin cast helmets, the 3D printed shoulder pads, and this I'm like a kid in the candy store. This is absolutely amazing. I can see Commander Pikara, Scout Trooper, Clone Captains, Clone Drivers, lots of Clone Trooper standard helmets, Airborne Troopers. I mean, I can't wait to get a look inside there. And a bag just packed full of bits and pieces and accessories and spare hands and weapons. This looks like just a whole bunch of Bandai kits, or spare parts of. And then a few of these really cool stands that I've seen online that I've really wanted to get some of these actually, so that's a really cool addition. And I think the rest is just rest of the Clone Troopers. Alright, so let's have a closer look. Alright, so in the first bag we've got a mostly made up Clone Trooper and a belt containing pistol blasters. Now these look like, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure these are Captain Rex's blasters. I'm pretty sure these are 3D printed. Let's try and get a closer look. And they do come out. Wow, that is really nice. Get some focus on there. Really nicely fine printed detail there. These are awesome. Just the thing you want if you want to do a Clone Trooper that has pistols. Get a bit more lighting in here. And is that? Yes, it is. It is actually Captain Rex. That's a very sharp, cleanly cast helmet. Now this looks like it might be from the Black Series, the 6-inch line. That's really nice. And yeah, there's actually a 3D printed ball joint for the helmet. So there you go. Now that's going to make up a really nice figure. And we've got 3D printed shoulder pad there. I think this is Rex's one. And we've got a double one there. And I've really got to get into this 3D printing game. These are a lot finer and a lot cleaner than I would have expected. And it looks like a 3D printed clone backpack thingy with what looks like a magnet stuck in there. So I could even magnetize it to the back. Nice. And this, this looks familiar. I think this is what fits onto the shoulder of the airborne troops. So that's another really nice accessory. So wow, I mean, just this bag alone is awesome enough. So let's have a look what's in the helmet bag. So we've got a few cloth pieces there, more shoulder pads, and that's a standard Bandai Shore Trooper helmet, very familiar. And there's the Airborne Trooper helmet. I think this is cast and 3D printed, I can't actually tell. That looks really cool though. I think this is the tank driver from Rogue One. Yeah, now this is what's his name? It escapes me. Similar to is it Neo's helmet? Neo's helmet. Well, that's pretty cool. It looks like kind of looks like a clone pilot helmet with a faceplate stuck in the front. So it's quite interesting. More shoulder pads. Very nice. There's a black tank driver helmet. Another ball joint neck piece. Oh no, that's cool. Now that's a AT-RT driver, I think. Helmet. That'll be a cool figure to make up. Now, and there's Commander Bakara. That's very cool. More shoulder pads. Now this is a clone diver, one of the sea troopers. I think from the Clone Wars. Could be wrong there. And standard Bandai clone trooper. Now that's interesting. It looks like a sort of oversized clone trooper helmet. That looks like it's got room for a head underneath. Yeah, it's another tank driver, another airborne trooper, another tank driver. Plenty of those. Oh no, that's nice. So that's a clone pilot from episode 2. Now that would be a nice figure to make up. Another airborne trooper. And then looks like just more bits and pieces, a few more pistol blasters and helmet bits and bobs. Nice. Alright, so what's in the final bag? Well, I'm a bit scared to open this too much because I don't want it to spill out everywhere. Basically, it's just a whole bunch of blasters and bits and pieces from kits. Like there's a Rogue One Death Trooper, chest pieces, shoulder pieces. There's a lot of kits worth of stuff in here. Some lightsabers. Battle droid backpack. I really need to get some battle droids. Alright, so I think I'll end it there. So basically, the conclusion to this video is expect a few clone trooper builds coming up. I'm really looking forward to getting into some of these and playing around with what customs I can do. So yeah, so keep an eye out in the near future. And if you're watching, the person who sent me all of this amazing stuff, then a massive big thank you. I certainly wasn't expecting anything like this. And yeah, this is definitely going to keep me busy. So again, thanks a lot. And to all my other viewers, I hope you've found this interesting. And if you've got any suggestions as to what to build, what to pick out from all of these helmets, then feel free to leave a comment. And thanks for watching. So until next time, take care.